Whew, well, sorry about the wind in the microphone. Okay, I've just about made it. That's a long way that I've come, but when I saw these houses, because of the perspective, it looked like they were on a hill overlooking the beach. Then I thought I'd have to walk up to that, around that point, but I don't think I have to, because I'm pretty sure right around this sand hill is the inlet. How long has it taken me? With the occasional 5-second stop to take a photo of a beautiful shell or a bird or something. It's 10 past 12. That's an hour and a half exactly at the moment. And I walk at between 5 and 6 kilometers an hour. Let's say 5, because I'm not walking that fast. 7 Ks, maybe a bit more, which means I've got another 7 to walk back to there, that shady bit of headland over there. Okay, so it's going to be a 14 or 15 kilometre walk today. Jeez. Whew. Sleep well tonight. Anyway, yeah, this is it. Just around here, you should see the famous Sussex bar, Sussex Inlet bar. That's not where they serve drinks. Oh geez, I wish they did. I could do with a cold one right about now. Anyway, yeah, this is it. I won't even be able to get to that headland over there. Around the, which way are we going? South. Get around that headland there, that southern point, that point there is Bhewerre. It goes up Bhewerre Beach and down that way. But I've never done this before, so I'm stoked. Little set of holiday houses over there. Nice looking sandbank. Geez, I'll tell you what, that's the sort of thing we used to look for as kids. Slide down that, oh magnificent. All day sliding down on a bit of cardboard or something, bit of tin, climbing back up, slide down again, go for a swim, do it again. When we used to come down here as kids, as a family. I've never been here, this particular spot anyway. You can understand why the bar is gnarly. Look at that narrow channel. That sandbar would shift and form and shift and form and reform. And then you've got the reef right there. The gap in between those two reefs. Yeah, geez, you want to know what you're doing, especially in a high surf. Wow, yeah, it could be very nasty. It's had it's experienced quite a few accidents. Look at the clarity of this water. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's like a, oh, God, we're lucky living here. I don't believe how clear that is. Look at it. It's a baby fish in there too. Oh, wow. Well, this is Wandera country at Jerinja. And this is Sussex Inlet. You walk further. Well, if you don't walk, if you go further up that way, on the left there's another little caravan park, holiday park thing. And there's past that on the left again, you got the Lions Club sort of public park. Then you keep going up the inlet. You got Christian's Mind or Mindy on your right. On your left you got the boat hire place and the RSL club on your left there. More park and stuff, caravan park. And then yeah, it keeps going down and empties out into well, goes into St George's Basin. Yeah. Great for prawning too at the right times of the year. Done that a few times. I lived in Sussex Inlet for a year, and unfortunately the work ran out, and yeah, I didn't have a choice. I had to move back to Sydney. Now I live down in the Shoalhaven. It's just the most beautiful area, beautiful country. I'll just walk over here. You can see, I think the tide's going out at the moment, and sometimes it flows pretty quickly out of the basin. St George's Basin is very shallow. It's quite broad. It's a big body of water, but it's not very deep, and it fills up and empties very fast. Although it looks very safe, it can be quite dangerous swimming in here because of the current. Snags, things like that. When I say snags, I don't mean sausages. Sorry, couldn't help it. There you go, beautiful. Sunset's cold. So that's Sussex Inlet. The inlet, Sussex Inlet. The town is called Sussex Inlet, but this is the inlet to Sussex Inlet. If you get my drift. Get it? Oh. I can do this ring, which I'm a 7-kilometre walk back up there. I think there might be bird nesting over there. They've got that fenced off. All the shorebirds, probably a pied oyster catcher or something like that. Anyway, this is Sussex Inlet. That's the outlet. Well worth it. I was really tired, but now I've got a bit of adrenaline because I'm here and I'm happy and it's feeding my brain. So I'll relax, take some still photos, have a drink of water, and then walk back. Once I do get back to where I'm parked at Caves Beach car park, it's just a short drive into Huskisson, and a nice cold drink at the club I think is in order. Beautiful. Oh, unreal. Okay. See ya.